Hello YouTube, it's me again. You've been eating a lot of bacon. I think people need bacon. Anyway, that noise behind me that is drowning out my voice is that little box right there. It's the only heater I have in the garage, and I finally put all the pink shit in the ceiling. So anyway, sometimes in between doing projects, I get sequestered to fix things for my kids, and honestly, my kids come first, and all this shit I play with can take a sidestep to my kids. So my mother-in-law gave me this thing a while back, and I'm not really going to put this on video. I might just glue it and make a video and be like before and after. But I like doing things for my kids. But we got one of these little gizmos here, which has a small problem. See the little part here that goes up and down. It needs a new little tray. The tray part here is busted. The little arms are still good, but whoever put this part together, as far as I know, didn't do a very good job. So I'm gonna get another little piece of wood, probably drill a couple of holes from the bottom or top, and re-glue this because this is all split and it's gonna get wrecked. So that's one of the little things I'm gonna get done because apparently the little dolls that my daughters have might fit perfectly in here. And a happy kid is a kid that's not screaming at you or yelling and crying, and well, I know a happy kid is also one that has had his diaper changed, and you don't have to worry about the smell anymore running around your house, only in your garbage can. So anyway, I'm gonna probably make a. I'm gonna bring this back to my house where I have a nice warm, little warm laboratory where I can do some glue work. I have a chop saw there. I'm gonna take the little things off. Probably get an. I have some old oak. It might not be as thin. I might find a piece or cut it down. I'm gonna cut a little piece. Well, I think I have a piece about this wide. I'm gonna shave it off, but I'm gonna cut a groove in it and probably glue the whole thing in place because I don't. This doesn't even look like it's ever been glued. So the rest of it is pretty sturdy. The rest of it's got a lot of screws, and see it's all like in there, and it's not wobbly unless one part's busted on the bottom with a rod, but I could probably fix that. Anyway, so that's my next project. Well, mini project. There's just a little thing in between. So I'll make a video about it. So anyway, like, subscribe, leave some comments, and eat lots of bacon, eat lots of eggs, and enjoy life. Have a great day. Adios, amigos.